So it finally arrived all the way from China. This is one of those Flappy-bird toys that you probably see on your Facebook feed if you have pets. So we ordered one. What do you think, Kodo? You're about to have the time of your life. Let's open. Here it is. It's about what I expected. It's a parrot. And it's got wings and a section in the belly for some batteries. Good thing I have batteries. What do you think, Kodo? Is this going to be fun? It's going to be fun. Maru. Oh. You guys got a new toy. It's going to blow your minds. It's going to blow your minds. So here's her out of the way. Put the batteries in. There's his little feet. Wingspan. Okay. So it doesn't work. There's a switch here and it won't turn on. This is the second pair of batteries I've tried. So I don't know. But so when I go like this, it does make that satisfying flappy sound. Kind of gets me excited a little bit. Grab by the tail. Oh my goodness. Look, it's a bird. It's a bird. Oh my gosh. Get it. Get the bird. 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 Get it. Get the bird. Get it. Get it. Get it. I don't know. It doesn't. Putting the batteries in again. This is the second pair of batteries. Unless all of my batteries are crap, then this is crap. But we're going to try it again. Put the lid on. I mean, oh, and it also came with this thing. I guess you're supposed to string it up from somewhere or stick it somewhere. I know where they can stick this toy. Where the sun don't shine. See, now I can't put the cap back. And there we go. There we go. I mean, I get what it's supposed to do, but the switch doesn't work. So I don't know. And now I've broken his wing because I'm angry. Wait. His wing's kind of... Get it! Get the bird! Get it! Get it! It's gonna get you! Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Kill. Kill. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill the bird. Get it. Get it. You better get it. You better get it. Get the bird. Get the bird. Garbage. Don't waste your money.